Good morning everyone. Welcome to the class of biology. Today we are going to discuss about five kingdom system. In five kingdom system all living things are divided into five groups. Now let's start to discuss about the five kingdom system. Look here that and try to understand the five kingdom system. First of all, prokaryote. Prokaryote means first living things, first animals. In prokaryotes include bacteria. And second one is Protista. Protista, a collection of single-celled organisms and some simple multicellular ones such as seaweeds. And third one is fungi. Fungi include mushrooms, toadstools and molds. And fourth one is Plantae, green plants. And fifth one is Animalia, the animal kingdom, which include you. Which include you means human. And now let's start to how do we classify organism today. Biologists in general recognize five different kingdoms of living organisms. We discuss here prokaryotes, protista, fungi, plantae, animalia. In addition, there are viruses, the smallest organisms. They are on the borderline between the living and non-living worlds. We also include viruses. Viruses are studies that it has features like living and non-living. And here looks prokaryote include bacteria. These are the shapes of bacteria. These like bacteria. First one, some bacteria look like round shapes, some like chain forms, some like this structure and some like rod shaped structures. And protista. Protista includes like amoeba one cells, paramecium foot-like structures, chlamydomonas, seaweeds and sponges. And fungi include mushrooms, gold molds, dead molds. These are fungi, includes mushrooms. And fourth one is Plantae. Plantae division into two groups: seed bearings, which plant have seed, and seedless, those plants which are without seeds. The first one is seedless, include bryophyte. Bryo means before formation of seed, like mosses and liverworts. And the second one is Phylloxenophyta ferns. And the seed bearing plants are gymnosperms like coniferous trees and angiosperms flowering plants. And next one is angiosperms, divided into two groups: monocotyledons and dicotyledons. These plants are look like monocots and these are dicots. And fifth one kingdom include Animalia. Animalia divided into these phylum: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 Animalia divided into 9 phylums. The first one is Porifera. Porifera includes sponges. Sponge like the structures. It is a sponge structures. And some second one is Cnidaria. Cnidaria look like these structures, vase like structures, like a flowering vase. Platyhelminthes, flatworms means flatworms. These are worms. And Nematoda means these are also worms, but these are round worms. And annelida segmented worms. Annelida include segmented means part its animals have parted like structures. And mollusca, these are molluscas. And arthropoda and echinodermata animals include starfish like structures. And chordata, these are the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 animalia are divided into 9 phylums. And these names are remembered to according to this sequence. First one, porifera, nidaria, platyhelminthes, nematoda, annelida, mollusca, arthropoda, kinder, chordata. And then chordata are divided into two groups, acrania and acrania. The craniata are vertebrates. And then vertebrates is divided into further groups. These are further fishes, amphibians, frog-like structure, reptiles, avian birds, mammalian mammals. And arthropoda is also divided into 1 2 3 4 groups: crustacea, myriapoda, centipedes, acraniida, spiders, arachnida, spiders, insecta, butterflies. And these are here we discuss about the five kingdom systems. And the five kingdom system has five group. Five means five groups like prokaryotes, Protista, Fungi, Plantae and Animalia. Then here we also look that Plantae is divided into two groups: seeds plantings, seedless plantings. And then flowering plant divided into monocotyledon and dicotyledon. Then we discuss about the animalia like porifera, nidaria, platyhelminthes, nematoda, annelida, mollusca, arthropoda, echinodermata, chordata. Chordata is also divided into two groups, acrania and second one, craniata, are vertebrates. And vertebrates then further divided fishes, amphibian, reptiles, avians, mammalian. And arthropoda is also divided into classes of crustacea, prey worm, myriapoda, centipedes, arachnidia, spider, insecta, butterflies. Now I hope this lecture is very useful those students which are slightly weak in understand the five kingdom systems. Now we met in our next class. Thank you so much for listening my lecture.